The Ninja coffee maker. There's a pump problem or a cleaning problem. So this has had a little time to cool. So let's go ahead and try it. I got this area filled with the water just to clean. And all right. Right there. Now that shouldn't be beeping. It turned off the clean. It's not clean. It won't make coffee. Let's go ahead and pretend that I've got coffee in here. There's my water. That's where I want to catch my coffee. And we got it on a large thing. Let's make some rich coffee. And it goes off. Let's go ahead and unplug it. Empty out the water. Take the bottom off. See if the pump's plugged. Okay, so you take the bottom off. You're going to have to get one of these specialty kits with all the different heads, and you'll need a hex head, or not the star head or whatever it is, to get this bottom off. Nine screws. Here's our pump, and I believe that the issue was the issue before. Let's see if we can zoom in on it. You can see these little butterfly clamps. Just disconnect them. This is not. I don't believe this is bolted in. Oh yes, it is. Yeah, just make sure this is all unplugged before you get into this. Is this okay? Okay, there's a little flangy thing there, a little flangy thing there. Pop that out. Let's go ahead and unplug this, because we are going to need it separated. This is why. This is why it was so much easier the last time. There's two butterfly hoses, the two hoses with the butterfly clips. And I'm pretty sure you gotta make sure that the one that you put them on right. You know, so this bent one here goes to the outside, and they lay over the top of each other, and so they go back in like that. So I'm gonna blow on this. Okay, now you can hear that whistling. That's the pump, and I'm sure that's probably the problem. I can't get it to go the other way. Maybe it's not supposed to go the other way. Now, That may have fixed it. Let's put it back together. So put this wire back in through here. Before we punch that into place, let's put the hoses back on. All right, and then punch this back into place. Okay, I should show the little clamps that that's held in with. There. All right, there it is right here. So there's the other one. Pull these out of the way. That. And that one right here. And this will pop out. Pop it back in. There's only one way this will clip back in. There's little, these little lines right here. There's only one way to put these in. Let's clip this in back up here. Okay. Let's go ahead and put the bottom back on. So let's go ahead and try it. Now I got water all over my countertop plug in. Nothing's exploded. Let's put this thing back on. And this is not the right thing. This is the one I use to do my cleaning, because I've got a pot of coffee over there. So let's hit clean, see what happens. All right, as of this moment, it's gone further than it did when I first started this video. I'm going to go ahead and pause, and then I'll start it back up in the end. All right, well, it looks like it's working. It's going to count down. I'm not going to sit here all day and wait for this thing to count down on video. Yep, so that's what it is. That's how you fix these. That's how you fix the Ninja. So don't forget to like this video. That's how you fix the Ninja. and have a great day.